Hey it girls, hey it gals, it's your girl, Itsdahji. Okay, and y'all see what is going on here. This actually kind of looks pretty cute. I wish I could wear it like this, but it's time for me to wash because this is now a week old flexi rod set, and right now I'm just going through my ends to make sure they did not lock together. Okay, so that's why my hair is all frizzy, because I literally went through each piece of my hair to make sure my ends were not tangled, so when it's time to wash I don't lock my hair when the water hits it. Y'all know, y'all curly girls know, extra curly girls know. Oh my gosh, all this gray hair, y'all, all this gray hair. But hold on, let me just embrace this really quick. Before I do anything, I want to tell you guys about, or remind you guys about, the black tea rinse. So I noticed that I still have a few split ends, and until I get to my trusted stylist, I'm gonna go ahead and use this black tea rinse because it's good benefits for strengthening the hair. Also, it's a natural hair coloring thing too, but I'm not really tripping about my grays. But it helps prevent excessive shedding. So that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to do my black tea rinse, then I'm going to follow up with a clarifying shampoo, and then I'm going to use the whole Ite brand product line, starting with the caramel protein treatment, and then I'm going to follow with the shampoo twice and conditioner, and then y'all be back. I'll be back. All right, the black tea is still in my hair. Okay, before it dries, put my hair to sections and put a processing cap on. Now I'm going to let it sit. I'm only gonna leave this in for about 20 to 30 minutes. Y'all, my hair is so thick, it won't even fit in my processing cap. So, we're going old fashioned. Over the top.
She's the hair god. She's the Dahji. The hair god. The hair god.
Oh yeah, and I also thought up another way, you guys. You guys can most definitely get you a spray bottle and put the black tea in here and then spray your hair too. If you guys don't want to do it the way I did it, okay? That's a way better way.